What's good, y'all? I just got this ThreadBeast pack. Let's get into it. Me up with these PSD boxers right here. These kind of give me a tropical vibe, you feel me? I'm probably gonna wear these when I go out on vacation, just special occasion, you feel me? Now, this is my favorite out the pack, the Stussy camo pants, man. I've been meaning to get some camo pants in my rotation too, so shout out to ThreadBeast for blessing me with these, man. And I got this Tommy Hilfiger hoodie right here, man. Shout out to Tommy. The 90s Tommy Hilfiger was a vibe. I'm happy with this pickup too, man. Now, let's get into these shorts from Devil Dog right here, man. These Doc shorts. I was a little skeptical about these, but let me show you what I got next. Now, this shirt from Bank Journal goes perfect with the shorts, man. Definitely going to put that fit together, bro. Got this Hard Times tee right here. Now, it's a clean tee. I might crop this one, kind of give it a boxy feel, you feel me? See if I can make it work. Now, I got this graphic tee from Market. Now, I like this one a lot. Dope graphic on the back. I'm going to throw a fit on with it, too. And here's a fit with a couple of the pieces, man. I bet you this is the best ThreadBeast fit y'all done seen on TikTok. This got to be the best one, hands down. Man, I definitely recommend ThreadBeast, man. It's one set price. I ain't got to go to the mall. And the style is catered to you. You definitely got to get another one.